Namaste. Extremely happy to announce that Freedom app has got 1 crore users. Yes, we have achieved this milestone in less than 33 months. We launched the Freedom app on the 20th of March 2020 and within 33 months, we have now got 1 crore users on Play Store alone. This is a remarkable achievement. All credit goes to our users, our mentors, my team, our investors and the board. But then, if you ask me, what really helped us to achieve this milestone in such a short span? I feel it's our mission. Why do we need Freedom app for this country or for this world? Just think about it. Today we are talking about achieving $5 trillion GDP for India. We are currently somewhere at about $3.5 trillion. If you look closely, can this be achieved with just few corporates, just few MNCs? No. You need many small businesses, our farmers, all of them should contribute equally to make this happen. It can't be achieved with just few large corporates. We need provision stores, departmental stores, supermarkets, saloon shops, spas, someone who's selling fish, someone who's selling chicken, someone who's running a fashion accessory store, someone who's into fruits farming, vegetable farming, fruit shop, vegetable shop, juice shop, cloud kitchen, veg restaurant, non-veg restaurant, bakery, sweet shop, what not. I mean, all these contribute to this GDP growth. Unless until all these small businesses and farmers flourish in their own way, this dream of achieving $5 trillion or later $10 trillion will not happen. But unfortunately, this is not being taught in schools and colleges. Maybe we wouldn't have had any business to do here if this would have been taught in schools and colleges. Since it is not being taught in schools and colleges, we have a huge opportunity to pursue. If you ask me, when was this really required? When Freedom app kind of solution was required for this country? This was required 10 years back. We are already late. Now we need to rush. We aim to get to 100 million users in the next 18 months. And we have made all preparations to get there. From 10 million to 100 million in the next 18 months. And how do we get there? How do we achieve that milestone? Obviously, as a company, we are working on all 4 key pillars of our business. The first one, our product. We are leveraging data science, AI/ML to make a product stronger. We are adding more interesting features. This product will be useful to every common man. Every farmer should be able to use our app seamlessly. That's our motive. And we are working towards that. Number 2, content. While we currently have just courses on Freedom app, we are in the process of adding 4 different kinds of courses across all goals on Freedom app. The first one, we will have foundation courses for every goal. If you take the example of honeybee farming, how to start honeybee farming or all you must know about honeybee farming is the foundation course. Then we've got workshop courses where practically how to separate bee families, how to extract honey from bee boxes, or workshop courses also includes how to produce byproducts from honey or bee wax. Then we do have specialization courses, which means stingless bees or various things. These are all specialization courses related to honeybee. Then we are also in the process of stitching together all these things to launch diplomas, 100 hours, 150 hours diplomas on each of these goals. But I promise you, we won't change our pricing. Our current pricing model of 1 subscription to access all courses will continue. We are currently at about 960 courses on Freedom app, and we will have at least 2,000 more new courses, a total of 3,000 courses in the next 18 months. By then, we should be able to achieve our 100 million users target. The third aspect of our business, the third key driver of our business, marketing. We're very lucky, fortunate that we are partnered with the best media houses in the country. They're helping us to take our brand to every corner of the country. I think that's going to help us reach more people. Today, at least 20 million people watch our ads or videos digitally every day. That's helping us to reach more people, communicate about how Freedom app is trying to make a change in this country. The fourth pillar, obviously, are sales. Our revenues are growing. primarily because of word of mouth. Those who use Freedom app, they communicate about Freedom app to their family, their friends, their neighbors, their relatives, and that's how we are able to add more users to Freedom app. With these 4 pillars doing extremely well, since the momentum is also great, we're very confident, we're very optimistic that we should be able to achieve 100 million users in the next 18 months. We should be able to get to 3,000 courses in the next 18 months. In the next 3 months, we will be launching Freedom app in Bangladesh. That's another big thing for us. So the entire team at Freedom app, about 1,200 young minds, are working day in and day out to achieve this mission. All I request is your continued support, feedback, and suggestions to make this mission possible. Thank you.